everyone! Welcome to another episode of The Real Deal. And once again, I will be talking about the Ford Territory. If you currently own this car or if you are thinking of buying one and you are a family with small kids, then this is something that you must know. Without further ado, I will go straight to the point. We'll be talking about the lock of Ford Territory. The door lock indicator is located on the driver's door. So basically, you can auto lock it or you can activate auto lock by adjusting it on the infotainment. Once you run at a certain speed, for example, if you run at a speed greater than 20 kilometers per hour, it will automatically lock. And you will know that it is locked once this orange LED indicator activates. But what you have to understand is, even if this LED indicator is activated, it only means that you cannot open the door from the outside, but you can open the door from the inside. So even if you are running at 20 kilometers per hour or even at a faster rate, for example 100 kilometers per hour, the passengers can still open the door. I think that this is a little bit dangerous. So I will try to show you. The door LED indicator is activated. Now let's try if we can open the door. So first, let's try opening the driver's door. So as you can see, I can still open it. Now let's try closing it again. And now I will activate again the orange LED indicator, which means that all of the doors, including the passengers' doors, should be closed. So I will show you. So let's activate it again. Let's close all the doors. Now let's try opening the passengers' doors. So let's see if this will work. I'll try to open the door from the inside. So on the passenger's door, I'll try to open it. As you can see, I opened it effortlessly. But from the outside, you cannot open it unless you press the key. This is what Ford Territory's door looks like from the inside. You have the speakers, the doorknob, and you have the button for opening or closing the window. Other than that, it is quite evident that you don't have a lock or unlock button for each individual door. If you are the driver, you have to be always cautious whether if your doors are locked. In order to minimize your worries, you can activate the automatic lock system located on the infotainment. Now let's talk about the disadvantages of this kind of system. Remember, you are only locked from outside going in, but you can always open it from the inside going out. The Ford Territory has child lock system located on both passengers' doors. But while child lock system is advantageous, it can also work towards the opposite side. In cases of emergency, the passengers cannot immediately go out. If you are buying this car and you have small kids, it is important to explain to them how this system works. There are instances when toddlers are naturally curious, hence accidents can happen. On my personal opinion, if I have toddlers, I will just choose another car so that I will have more peace of mind. Thank you for watching and happy driving!